Panic, sell everything. Folks, I'm kidding. But look, I want to give you guys a bit of a quick market update with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I am seeing some concerning things I want to share with you guys. So in this video, I want to discuss the critical levels I'm looking out for Bitcoin and Ethereum to remain short-term bullish. I do believe we're seeing some weakness. We could see pullbacks in the market. I want to share with you guys the critical levels I'm looking out for, where I could see us pulling back to, where I could see us finding support, and where I think we need to hold the line if you want to remain short-term bullish. So if you want to find out more about that, then folks, like and subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads, because we want to help you guys better understand and navigate this crypto space. So let's delve into it. So ladies and genitals of all genders, Bitcoin is doing something very concerning, and so is Ethereum. I do believe it is very possible that we could see market-wide pullbacks in the near future. Number one, because Bitcoin is seemingly breaking down from this rising wedge pattern / pennant formation. If we zoom out a bit here on Bitcoin's chart, we can see how, historically speaking, when we formed similar patterns and broke down, well, you see what's happened in the past. So I'm not necessarily saying we're going to see that kind of pullback, but I do think some kind of pullback at some point in the near future is very much warranted, given that Bitcoin and Ethereum have been impulsing quite strongly upwards for the last couple of weeks. I think a cool off / pullback period is definitely very reasonable. So Bitcoin is breaking down from this rising wedge, but its last saving grace is this yellow line, the 200 simple moving average on the daily. If we get a daily candle closing below that, I do believe the rest of this pattern is going to play out. We're probably going to fall back down to low 40s. My guess is we're probably going to retest 42,000 to 41,000. For Bitcoin to remain short-term bullish, I do believe we have got to hold the line around this region, 41 to 42,000, if not here at 37,000, because if Bitcoin puts in a lower low below 37,000, then I do believe we would have lost a lot of the short-term momentum for Bitcoin. For this uptrend to continue, we want to keep putting in higher lows. So whatever pullback we may have, we want it to be a higher low above 37,500. So what I'm looking out for is 41,000 to about 42,000. If that holds, great, it's a higher low. If we pull back further, make a lower low below 37,500, that is what we call in the business no bueno. That is not good. Although we have strong support levels below us, 200 EMA on the daily, likely to be price reactive, and 50 daily simple moving average, all just you know, in the high 30,000s, low 40,000 regions. So we do have strong support at that lower low. Hopefully that maintains, but I do think 41 to 42,000 is very realistic if we have a daily candle close fully below the 200 simple daily moving average for Bitcoin. And look, it's important to understand Bitcoin, because whether we like it or not, Bitcoin affects the rest of the market. Now let's talk about Ethereum. I love Ethereum, but we're seeing some very concerning things. Ethereum has now had a daily candle close below the 21 EMA on the 6 hour. This moving average has been extremely good for calling short-term price action for Ethereum. When you have daily candles closing above it, we're in an uptrend. Daily candles closing below it, we're in a downtrend. It's that simple. We've now had a daily candle close below it, but the question is, will we have today's daily candle that will close in 22.5 hours here fully closed below the 21 EMA on the 6 hour? If we get that, I do believe Ethereum is going to have a pullback, folks. This is nothing out of the ordinary. We've been having a massive impulse last couple weeks. So I do believe retesting 2,700 is very realistic if we get that daily candle close below this green line. And aside from 2,700, I'm looking for 2,500 to about 2,400 to act as support. Folks, I do not want to see us put in a lower low below 2,400, because then we would have lost a lot of our short-term bullish momentum. So as long as Ethereum holds 2,400, still be a higher low, and we could still carry on with the bullish momentum. If you believe in these assets long-term, then it could be a great buy the dip opportunity. Market's been very overheated. At some point, if we have daily candles closing below these moving averages, again, pullbacks are very likely, although not a guarantee. The market loves to fake people out. We could just drop below it for a little while and shoot up, but the likelihood of an extended pullback really increases if we have daily candles closing below these critical levels. So folks, I want to make this episode nice and short. Make sure you like and subscribe, and before you run away, make sure you click on all the buttons down in the description below. YouTube likes it when you click buttons, like and subscribe, and make sure you hear out our sponsor. Ladies and genitals, people of all genders, are you tired of being liquidated 100x leveraging with your favorite crypto influencers Bybit link for that is down in the description below? Are you tired of trying to draw whack-off lines, waves, or fib level extension extrapolations that you're pretty sure you and everyone else don't really know what they do or how to use them? Well then folks, I got the solution for you. Check out our VIP Discord group specifically created to help you navigate this crypto space. You see, I too want to meet the crypto gods in Valhalla, but I don't want to just be there myself. I want to help you get there as well. So if you guys want an extra hand navigating this space, if you want access to our take profit strategy, then folks, become a VIP Discord member. When you join, you'll get access to our take profit strategy where we share what factors we're looking at to try and time cycle tops and bottoms. This is but one example of the many things we consider when trying to form a take profit strategy. We found a moving average that held that support throughout the length of the impulse, where we take profits and sell once we lose it. If we would have stuck to this strategy, you would have called the local 2021 bull run top by 13%. As well, we also share setups we're looking at. In this post, I shared with our VIP Discord members how I bought the local bottom at 1,600 right before Ethereum's run up to $4,400. So if you want access to all this and more, then make sure you become a VIP Discord member. You'll get access through our Patreon. The link for that is down in the description below. As always, folks, your support is highly appreciated. Important disclaimer here, we are not financial advisors and do not give financial advice. Our goal in making this group is to help empower you guys and make you more confident in your own understanding and help you come to your own conclusions. So folks, go sign up right now. Click on the link down below. You'll get access through our Patreon. I can't wait to see you guys in there.